with online canvassing campaign. Aldo, do you want to give a quick update on it?
Actually, it's
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
right.
already, yeah, it's already transferred to me, so I'll do the update. Okay. So for the update, I'm following the previous what is it? The questions from our marketing brainstorming. So the first question is, what have you done or today or previous? Uh, we have done creating the SLA for online canvassing. It's 5 MQL per week based on Ingrid. And then also I started to organize the lead count on Trello to better identify the current active leads, and also expected to finish this on Thursday. And the result for now, the long terms, we have one leads for the long terms from Ingrid. It's Umamanya Villa. And for the next plan is continue to organize the leads count on Trello. And for the friction for now that I want to solve is some of our past leads are not replying back when we contacted them. So it's still really, it's still hard to identify them to be abandoned or not, so that's kind of hard to organize the Trello board. So the next action that I have in mind right now is to identify those who didn't reply back as abandoned, and also follow up the updates on each card. That's the update for me. Back to you, Miss Tier.
Thank you, Rahma, for your update. If anyone have any question, please write it down on the comment section of the Trello card. So, moving on to the next part is the website campaign, Manage My Property. Okay, now Aldo. Sorry, Aldo, do you want to give a quick update about that?
Yep. Thank you. So, if you could scroll down a bit. So the update itself for the analytics overall audience is currently decreasing. So if you could see the details, the average of the time spent, the page time spent, and also the average time spent is decreasing, but and the bounce rate is increasing. So I assume that there is something wrong with the content that we have right now on the Manage My Property. So last week actually Lila has changed some of the content on the Manage My Property, and I think it's not working. So we'll try to see where's the thing that not really appealing to the audience. And also there is analysis from Rahma actually, and the summary of the analysis actually echoing the previous analysis. Instead of adding new section, we need to improve the current content that we have right now on the page. And the next action that we would like to have is me and Rahma will have a sub discussion about the content improvement for Manage My Property. And also Lila will be working on creating the articles that could support the MMB traffic. And for leads update, we did a second meeting with Bululu last week, and we're pretty confident about the leads that it will be converted. And Moen also already inspected the property and also sent the draft contract to her. So we expect the answer in this week actually for Bululu. That is my update. Back to Miss Chair.
Thank you, Aldo, for your update. So again, if anyone have any question, just put it down on the comment section of the Trello card. Now on to Facebook ads partnership, January 2021. Moving to Mas Gani.
Okay, good morning everyone. Thank you, Ms. Chen. So for the update of Facebook Ads partnership, so total we got 31 leads. The correct audience is 14, and we got 6 MQLs, and the wrong audience is 12. So the current friction right now is we still got a 0 meeting so far, but then I have asked Aldo what is the update of the meeting. Is there any update, or Aldo, do you have any action on that friction? Sorry. And for the last is for the next action, I will do the content analysis. So which content that got the biggest number of leads of MQL. So pretty much like that. Back to Ms. Chen.
Thank you, Mas Gani, and we can move on. And if anyone has any question, again, put it on the comment section. So we're gonna move on into the revenue campaign. The first one would be the Instagram conversion optimization 2021. Ingrid, would you like to give an update on that?
Okay, so the update is this is the update from February 9. I'm just rewriting it using the new template. So what have we done is what have I done previously is posting recommendations as knowledge posts. And the results are that the ratio for each impression and profile visits are increasing sharply after Nadine Amiza, an Indonesian singer, mentioned us in her IG story. And also recommendation posts like best properties, best restaurants get a lot of profile visits, save and website clicks. So the next plan is the good results on the recommendation post will be a further reference to do this more often, especially during big day or holiday to increase awareness. And then I'm going, and then it's already done, which is posting about Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day. And after this, I'm going to take advantage while our IG page is still gets a lot of attention because of Nadine Emiza to repost giveaway on our feed. That's all from me. Back to you, Lila.
Thank you, Ingrid, for the update. Anyone have any question? Again, put it on the comment. And we're going on to the website booking page since the Facebook marketing is just monitoring card. So, Mas Rizal, would you like to give an update on booking page?
Okay, sure. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So my update basically on the important is from the friction. Basically, we still get a low RTB on this campaign. The impression from the ads is still good, but yeah, I will have a sub discussion with BI team and Gani about why the RTB is low and how to solve it to get increase the request to book. Yeah, I think this all a quick update from me. Back to Mr. Chair.
Thank you much, Rizal, for the update. If anyone have question, again, just put it on the comment. So next one is Instagram ad, the boost booking page on February 2021. The person in charge is Mas Gani. So Mas Gani.
Okay, thank you, Mr. So for the Instagram ads for booking a boost booking page. So basically the ads it's not working well. So we still doesn't get any RTP until right now. We believe it's related to a technical issue on Facebook pixel event that caused not improving or of the ads. Previous action on the Facebook on the ads is me and Mas Rizal just verify the domain and make sure it's on Facebook suggestions. Is there new change related to Facebook version iOS 14? And for the next action is we're planning to reinstall the Facebook pixel event on strikingly, and I hope it can be finished by the next. And let's see the result tomorrow. Okay, back to Ms. Chen.
Thank you, Mas Gani, for that update. The next one would be the Airbnb instant book for all listing. Again, Mas Gani, if you'd like to get in, the update to it.
For the update is still pretty much same like last week, so still actively doing daily content doctor, and yeah, let's see the result by the end of the February.
Thank you, Mas Gani. So on to the internship campaign. Actually, mine's first. So for the Facebook campaign, yeah. So I haven't really updated that because I posted 2 last week and I haven't put the status on the card since we agreed on 7 days after posting to record the result. And last week, while posting on mobile, I found out that we could also post on Canggu community group simultaneously. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that this week with one of the content. And then so for the February content planning is already merged as well with the January paper because I previously had 2 papers, but to organize it, I put it into one. And so all the paper and result is already on the Trello card now. And I've sort of changed the reporting style on Excel as well. So yeah, I'm kind of like in the process of moving the data at the moment. But yeah, that's all the update for me. So we can move on to the website awareness campaign for Google My Business to Rahma for the update.
Okay, thank you, Lila. So first of all, for the things that I've done in the past few days, I had pairing with Casintia to gain insight on how to reply reviews that we got from Google My Business, and also um, publish the FAQ on the discussion management paper to be commented by everyone. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please check it, and also I need your comments so I can edit it by today and post it today. And also I turned on the message feature on GMB. This is a new one. Actually, we haven't really done this before. And I posted a video and post last week, and the results for the message feature, I haven't received any inquiries so far. We'll update the results in 2 weeks to see whether this feature is working. And after posted the video and post last week, the engagement increased. And also the next plan for tomorrow or today is to reply back to all the reviews by today, and also fix and upload the FAQ by today. And for the friction, I don't really have right now. So I think that's all from my update. Back to you, Lila.
Thank you, Rahma, for your update. Any questions, put on the comment, and we move on to partnership referral program. So Ingrid, if you have any update on it?
So I haven't done any update yet. Maybe I'm going to start next week.
All right, okay, thank you. So I think that's all for Trello. We could move on to MKT for the next one. Tea paper. All right, thank you, Rahma, for sharing the screen. Maybe we could go with the first thread with the Mas Bayu one. Mas Bayu, do you want to expand on the question or research thread?
Okay, so this is actually a discussion for the chapter itself. So as you know that I'm trying to keep up with the marketing and how we are doing for each campaign and each activity. So I have difficulties actually following some of the projects, some of the campaigns. I think it's because of the way we communicate. So because we are working remotely, but we are still used to have like face-to-face meetings. I think we have some difficulties in communicating that in a more efficient way rather than waiting until we meet. So I want to discuss this. I think this is let's expect that maybe we can only meet like maximum 2 days per week, right? Or twice a week, right? The most important thing is the message that we want to communicate to everyone. So in synchronous meetings like this one, I think we should focus on communicating the result and then the insight of what you are doing, and then what is the plan that you are going to do next. And then also we need to announce some discussion, like for example, like when we have some I will do this with this person. When you want to do that, have you already arranged the meeting or not? So if there's someone interested in that activities or discussion, they can also join. So this is the point of having a synchronous meeting where everyone can hear, right? So if Aldo, for example, say that I will do a discussion with Rahma, but when I'm interested in that discussion, when do you want to do that? How can I join this, right? So it's not like a black box, right? Like I don't know what's happening in that discussion, or no one actually knows what happened in that discussion. So write it down. I give an example actually